Hello, indeed, nice to see you down there. How's it going? I finally got the hub back to put on cheap Heap. Yeah, they've been sat on three legs for the last millennia. So I finally got the bearing pushed in, a new one, courtesy of Ken Long. And here we go. So, let's give that a little bit of a scrub with the old wet and dry. Get a nice shine on it. I've already adjusted the self-adjusting brakes by the experience of doing it myself. So I did all that before I finished with the drum. Anyway, I'll crack on with that. The self-adjusting brakes, when the shoes expand, any clearance is taken up by the ratchet there. However, I came along and not with that screwdriver. I'm probably not even with this one. Move the little ratchet at the back there to move the shoes out manually. So self-adjusting brakes is just another euphemism for take the wheel off, do it yourself. Right, we've cleaned up the connections because all this is going to be renewed. We'll be doing that at the garage. I don't do brake pipes, so that'll be done at the garage. So we're not finished even when this is done. Still got the other side to do as well. Anyway, let's pop the hub on, shall we? A bit of greasing. There's no ABS rings on the earlier ones, so we don't have that to worry about. Nicely touching, that'll do for me. Get supplied with a new nut as well, so I can show you my nuts. Yeah, I can't show you my socket set because I can't remember where to put it. Of course, it should be renewed every time you take the hub off. And obviously, I'm going to use the torque wrench on it. So Stuart gets another mention. Thank you, Stuart, for sending me a torque wrench. Torque on these is 253 nms or 173 pounds. I think I might have to check that. I think it's 235 nms. Right, that's that. Well, that's that. That was an easy job, wasn't it? Just have to get all my blooming tools out. Right. Okay, wheel back on, turn it round if it starts, and do the other side. Job's a good one. Might have a bit to do though. Found a height sensor, which of course is perfectly good because it wasn't the problem with the old jugs, was it? That was the blooming air suspension on the back. That was a real problem. Right, I'm going to put this back together. Go get a cup of tea. I'm gagging. And it's cold. It's November the 11th. And went shopping this morning and observed the 2-minute silence in Morrison's. It was very good. As it should be. As it should be. It's the least we can do, I think. Right, so well done, lads. Yeah. Okay. Nice to see you. Thanks for watching. Don't get lost or squashed. It was a very quick episode, wasn't it? That next one might be longer. I've got a feeling the battery might be flat, so I won't be able to move it today. I'll give you the starts in when I've got the wheel back on. Right. So, don't get lost or squashed. I shall see you in a bit.